What's the meaning of avail? Avail. Avail.
Avail. Avail. The word avail is a verb that means to be of use, benefit or advantage to someone or something. It suggests the idea of making the most of an opportunity or resource available for a particular purpose. When used in a sentence, it typically conveys a sense of striving towards achieving a goal or objective. For example, I tried to explain my point of view to the boss, but it didn't avail me any progress, implies that your efforts to express yourself were not helpful in advancing your career or improving the situation.